Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Amanda and I'm from Amanda Crochets, and in today's video it's all going to be about a yarn unboxing. I ordered two different orders, one from Premier and one from Joann Fabrics, and let me show you today what I got with the two different orders. So starting with the Premier box, I ordered Premier Basics DK, and this is a lightweight number 3 yarn. It is 306 yards, 280 meters, 3.5 ounces or 100 grams. It is 100% acrylic, and it is machine wash, warm, tumble dry. It's also been tested against 350 harmful substances. And then the color that I got was pale blue, and I had 4 skeins of this. So I bought a bunch of this Premier Basics DK as I really wanted to make more of my delicate shell blanket, and I wanted to make it in different colors and then add those blankets to my Etsy shop. So I ordered this very pretty light blue, or this pale blue color. And then I ordered in the classic white color. And when you order from Premier, if you order in sets of 3, they usually put all of the yarn in a nice plastic bag, so that way if your shipping box gets damaged, then your yarn is still protected. The next color that I ordered is this very light purple. This is lilac. So let me go ahead and just show you what it looks like up close. So lilac, a very pretty light pale purple color. And finally I have this very pretty light pink, and this is called Ballet Pink. And again, you can see the very nice light pale colors. Now if you already haven't made my delicate shell blanket, here's what it looks like. And I made it in a nice pale yellow color. So I really wanted to make this blanket in a few different colors and add it to my Etsy shop, like I said. And this pattern is available on my Etsy shop as well, or on my website. So I will go ahead and link the pattern below for you if you were interested in making this. The next yarn that I got was the Premier Basics. This is a number 4 medium worsted weight yarn. It is 359 yards, 328 meters, 7 ounces or 200 grams, and again it's 100% acrylic. And it is also machine wash, warm, tumble dry. And then the color that I got is orange, and it's kind of like a darker pumpkin orange, and I have a project in mind I'm using this for. And it's actually going to be going along with this yarn right here. So this is the Premier Basics Tweed. It's a number 4 worsted weight yarn. It's 260 yards, 238 meters, 5 ounces, 140 grams. And then this one is 97% acrylic, 3% viscose. And again, this is machine washed warm, tumble dry. And this is called Aran Tweed. So I really liked these two colors together. I thought it would make a very nice blanket for the fall. So be on the lookout for that. I should have this blanket tutorial up for you in the next couple weeks or so. So moving on to my Joann Fabrics yarn haul. Okay, starting with my first yarn from Joann Fabrics, I got the Lion Brand Mandala Gradient, and this yarn is fairly new, so I just wanted to try it out. They have several different colors, but I just wanted to test out this one color first, and I thought it was very, very beautiful. And because of the lighting, it's very sunny here today, it's actually looking a little bit brighter than normal. It's more of a darker berry pink color, so this is more of a darker color, and then it goes to the dark all the way up to the lightest color. And this color is called Burgundy. and it is a number 4 worsted weight yarn, and it is 5.29 ounces, 150 grams, 295 yards or 270 meters, and this is machine washable and dryable, and it is 90% acrylic, 10% nylon. So I just thought that was a really pretty color. They also have a few other colors, like I said, but they have this one color, I think it's called Aqua, and it's really a really pretty blue gradient. So if you like the blue color yarns, then you will definitely enjoy that. But I wanted to give this a try, and I bought, I believe, 4 or 5 skeins so I can make a baby blanket with it. So once I have that pattern worked up, I will go ahead and bring that tutorial to you as well. But this is what the yarn looks like. Again, it has that gradient from the dark to the light, and it's a very, very soft yarn, so I'm really excited to work with this yarn. The next yarn I got is all Bernat blanket yarn, and I'm trying to market prep with some different plushies, so I really wanted to get some yarn to make a few different plushies. And so this first one is the Bernat blanket, and it is the baby pink color. And it is classified as a number 6 super bulky weight yarn, and it is 100% polyester, machine washable and dryable. It's a 10.5 ounce skein or 300 grams, 220 yards or 201 meters. And again, this is the baby pink color. Now, there's different versions. You either have the Bernat baby blanket or the Bernat blanket yarn, and they're pretty much the same. The only difference is the Bernat baby blanket is going to have a little bit more of those pale colors to fit a baby nursery color theme. So, but they're pretty much the exact same yarn. So I have 2 skeins of this because I really wanted to make some more axolotls. And the pattern that I'm using for that is this one right here. And this is the axolotl by the Cozy Stitch. And that is what the pattern looks like. And I will go ahead and link all the patterns that I mentioned in this video in the description box below. But that's what the pattern looks like. And again, it's by the Cozy Stitch. And I made one of these already. And here is what it looks like. So I thought it was a super easy pattern. It was super cute to do, and I'm really excited to make more of these patterns. And that's why I got that pink yarn. So I can make a couple, because I have 2, possibly 3 craft fairs coming up this fall. So I really wanted to make some items for that, and I thought this will be new for the year. So I got some skeins to make that. And then the remaining yarn that I got is all going to make bees. And again, I will show you that pattern that I'm going to use. So this first one is the Bernat blanket. Again, all the same things, 10.5 ounces, 300 grams, number 6 super weight bulky yarn. And the color that I chose is dark gray. So I thought if I paired that up with this yarn right here, that this will be a light or pale colored bumblebee. I already have the white at home, so I did not pick up more white. But I thought if I use this lighter color, then I can make a bee with it. And this is the Bernat baby blanket, and this is called Buttercup. So it's that really pretty light pale color. So I was going to put those 2 together along with the white color. And then I wanted to make a traditional bumblebee. So I just have the coal or the black yarn. And then I also have 1 skein of sun soaked. So I have the darker kind of golden yellow bee. And then I'm going to make the softer pale yellow and gray bee with that. So the pattern is again by the Cozy Stitch, and it's the Bumblebee Chubby Woodland Buddy. And here is what that pattern looks like. And this is using the Buttercup and the gray yarn colors. So I thought that was a really cute pattern, and again, I wanted to make this for upcoming craft fairs, and it's very similar to the axolotl pattern, at least the body is, and then you just make the wings and the antenna. So I'm really excited to make these two different patterns and include them for my upcoming craft fairs. So that is all for today's yarn haul. I have quite a bit of yarn and quite a bit of projects to work on, so I will definitely be busy making all those different things. And like I said, if I have any tutorials coming for the fall throw blanket as well as that baby blanket with the gradient yarn, I will get those tutorials to you as soon as I can, so be on the lookout for that. And I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you liked this video and want to see more of these videos, please leave me a comment below and let me know. Thank you so much for joining me today on learning all about the different yarns that I picked up, as well as the patterns I'm going to use with these yarns. Please like, comment, and subscribe to see all future videos by me. And as always, happy crocheting! Bye!